To connect Power BI to BigQuery, follow these steps. Open Power BI Desktop. Launch Power BI Desktop on your computer. Get data from BigQuery. In Power BI Desktop, click on Home in the ribbon and select Get Data. Choose More to open the Get Data window. Select Google BigQuery. In the Get Data window, search for BigQuery or navigate to Google Cloud under Online Services. Select Google BigQuery and click Connect. Sign in to Google. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Ensure you use an account with access to your BigQuery datasets. Follow the authentication steps and grant Power BI access to your Google Cloud resources. Choose your project and dataset. After signing in, a navigator window will appear showing your BigQuery projects and datasets. Browse through your projects and select the dataset you want to import data from. Load data. Select the tables or views you wish to use and click Load. The data will be imported into Power BI, where you can start creating reports and visualizations.